So hey guys, OnePlus is planning to drop the Pro name for its next flagship series, or OnePlus has an Ultra plan. Yes, according to the two different and reliable sources, OnePlus plans to drop the Pro label for its upcoming flagship series. As a result, the company's forthcoming flagship phone will be known as the OnePlus 11. For just a refresh, OnePlus launches the Pro model to make it clear it is a top-end device. Then those handsets would be followed by T models later the year if the company saw fit to introduce them, which hasn't been the case for the last couple of years, and it seems OnePlus may be changing its strategy again in 2023. Max Jamber, a reliable tech leaker, has stated that his sources believe the future flagship OnePlus 11 phone will just be called that and will not be released with the another Pro device. On leaks, a trusted leaker has also confirmed the story, saying he has heard similar from his sources. Previously, we all thought this device was called the OnePlus 11 Pro, and the device's leaked specs also showed it was a Pro variant, but it is a non-Pro variant. It's unclear whether OnePlus is dropping the Pro model entirely or simply launching the OnePlus 11 first with the Pro model to follow. See, in my opinion, OnePlus is launching the non-Pro model with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, this is what we have heard from the leaks. Then they might launch the OnePlus 11 Pro with the 8 Plus Gen 2 if OnePlus has really modified their plans for 2023. If you think there will be no Pro model at all, then so covering this, the source also says that not for Q1 2023 at least. The device we are going to see is a Pro specs, but they just skipped the Pro name this time. For the OnePlus 10 series, the company introduced a OnePlus 10 Pro that was revealed in early January this year. A OnePlus 10T later followed in August, but there wasn't a standard OnePlus 10 model like we have seen in previous years. Changing the names each year can confuse customers. The phone is non-Pro in the name but very much Pro in specs. OnePlus 11, remember, is anticipated to come with a 100-watt charging technology with a 5000 mAh battery, while packing an unreleased Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage space, an impressive sounding 50 megapixel plus 48 megapixel plus 32 megapixel triple back-facing camera system, and an 6.7 inches 120Hz OLED display with a 1440p resolution. According to the same source, the next OnePlus phone will also see the return of the alert slider, which wasn't on the OnePlus 10T. So what do you think about this OnePlus 11? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.